What is going on, guys? Someone's pulling up outside me. It's very awkward. I have just got to the storage place unit thing. It is absolutely freezing. Woo! Basically, I am doing 4 vending machines today. So I thought I'd just, bring my friends along for the ride. So yeah, let's go make some bread, boys. Cakes, wobbly cakes, wobbly cakes. I'm gonna close the shutter because it's letting in a big draft. The vending machine went yesterday, if you can't tell by the big space. Basically, it's going on location either this week or next week. So, 3 packs of flapjacks, 3 packs of brownies. Fuck's sake, someone's just come in. Come here, we're being quiet. God, I'm going to put subtitles. So, just a little hint. These, you can see some on the top row there. I went to a car boot the other day with my boyfriend, and I saw a woman selling these. So, they've got a good day on them. May the 12th. We're now in Feb. So I got 3 boxes of 13, and then she threw in a pack of 3 as well. So I think I paid 70p per unit. I'm gonna sell them at £2. Good return. I could sell them for more, but I'm just gonna get them gone. So you never know what you're gonna find. So if you're free on Sunday morning, just head to a car boot. You never know. Boys, just an update. One machine, and another machine. Go off! There we go. Right, so, update. Just had a phone call with my supplier, mentor person. Right, so I am going to his, well, when I do go to his, we're going to his anyway, and I am filling the new vending machine there, because it's going on location today, and one, I don't really have time to go to the new location and fill it there. So whilst I'm at his warehouse, I'm gonna fill it at his warehouse. So that's why there was an extra box. So yeah, but right now my phone is very low on battery, so I'm gonna nip home, get my charger for the car, and then I've got to run into Manchester City Centre, fill up a machine, go to a wholesaler's, pick up some stock, and then I've got to go to a location that's right next to the wholesalers, and then I'm going to my suppliers, and then I've got to do 2 more machines after that. So it's a very, very busy day, and then I've got football later on, so I'm definitely going to sleep tonight. So I'm going to title this video "A Very Busy Day with a New Location." I got snot. Excuse me, you're driving a go-kart. Yeah. I am actually very refreshed today. I'm just a bit rushed. Even though it is only gone 10 past 10. So I'm very, very ahead of the curve, as people would say. But now I've got to climb 3 flights of stairs to get to my apartment. So I'll get back to you after that and see how well refreshed I am after that. I just realised I need coin change for the coin net. So I just got that whilst I was upstairs. But I don't think me and my boyfriend thought this through. Yeah, cool. Anyway, hopefully it does the job. So I'm gonna go now and try and charge my phone. There's a guy sat next to me in the car park of Best Ways, so I'm gonna make this look like I'm not speaking. Awkward. I just went to the location in town. I only filmed a small clip because it's like an open plan sort of kitchen, so I don't know. I don't really like filming in there. Plus it's like a really, it's a very well known skyscraper in town. So I don't really like filming in there. So yeah, I'm not gonna film in there. I just film like the ending. Yeah, so I've just got to Best Ways. I'm gonna nip in here real quick, and then I'm gonna go to my second location, which is a healthcare center, and then I'm gonna go either to another location and then my suppliers, or I'm gonna go to my suppliers and then another location. I haven't yet decided, so I'll decide on the way. Got a really dry nose. Right, I'm going in. I've got a bit of a headache, so if I don't film much in here, I apologise, but I kind of want to get in, get out, go, bye. I forgot to film because I'm not a professional YouTuber, so you can just watch me put stuff in boxes instead. Oh, for fuck's sake, I ripped it even more. Oh well, Dorito Heat 5. We don't have Dorito Heat, we have Dorito Cool, because we didn't have any. Oh. There's a trolley. I'm so bad at this. I forgot to record again. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. And if you don't believe me, I honestly couldn't really care less. Yeah, I just filled up a can machine. I was blocking somebody in. I still am. I don't know if I can give you a sneak peek without. Yeah, I've been blocking somebody in, so I kind of just ran in, filled up really fast, and ran back out. So yeah. Right, I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's to go to another machine really quick and then go to my supplier. I might go do that. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to get there. Okay, let's do that. I have been at my suppliers warehouse for the past hour and a half, putting money in coin mechs, filling up the vending machine, playing around on the dolly, just fucking about really. Yeah. now I am heading to where am I going? Oh yeah, I'm going to the last location. I am fucking cold. My hands are freezing because I've been stuck. My head's been stuck in a fridge for the past hour. I need a wee. I don't know why I didn't just go in there. I only really noticed when I got out. I need a wee. I'm just gonna go in this next location, and then I am going home, and I'm gonna go and play football. My ankles are sore. Like, they're rubbing against my shoes, and they never do that. So yeah, I'm gonna stop being on the phone now. I didn't film anything after that. Oh, what's new? What's new? I never film ever, so you're lucky you've had 2 videos this week. Yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe if you're new. Oh god, these spots are getting on my nerves. Yeah, follow the Instagram. I'm back on TikTok. Follow the TikTok. If you want to book a consultation call with me, book one down below. I'm starting up a Discord. That'll be down below. Yeah. Discord's free. If anybody wants to join it. Yeah. I don't really know. I don't have anything else to say, but peace.